विहाय स गतिर्ज्योतिः
विहाय सगतिर्ज्योतिः
सुरुचिर्हुतभुग्विभुः
सुरुचिर्हुतभुग्विभुः
रविर्विरोचनः सूर्यः
रविर्विरोचनः सूर्यः
सविता रविलोचनः
सविता रविलोचनः.
When the meditators get well established in devotion, he brings them to his supreme abode. He is the Archihi, the first step in the ladder that extends up to his abode. He shines their path with the brightness of the sun. He is the bright fortnight of the month with the waxing moon, which receives Amrita from the oblations. He is the Uttarayana, the time for the souls to ascend. He is the year with the 2 ayanas, 6 months periods. He is the Vayuloka, from which the wind blows incessantly. Through the sun, he causes rain that helps the plants and the other forms of life to flourish. With the light from the same sun, he illuminates the other planets. Vihaya sagatihi
विहाय सगतिः
jyotihi
ज्योतिः
suruchihi
सुरुचिः
hutabhugvibhuः
हुतभुग्विभुः
ravihi
रविः
विरोचनः
विरोचनः
सूर्यः
सूर्यः
सविता
सविता
रविलोचनः.
रविलोचनः.
ॐ विहाय सगतये नमः.
ॐ विहाय सगतये नमः.
ॐ सुरुचये नमः.
ॐ सुरुचये नमः.
ॐ हुतभुजे नमः.
ॐ हुतभुजे नमः.
ॐ विभवे नमः.
ॐ विभवे नमः.
ॐ रवये नमः.
ॐ रवये नमः.
ॐ विरोचनाय नमः.
ॐ विरोचनाय नमः.
ॐ सूर्याय नमः.
ॐ सूर्याय नमः.
ॐ सवित्रे नमः.
ॐ सवित्रे नमः.
ॐ रविलोचनाय नमः.
ॐ रविलोचनाय नमः.
A sloka a day. A sloka a day keeps you free from shoka. Study the namas in each sloka, understand their meanings, memorize the words, repeat them as often as you can. Recite the mantras, causing deep vibrations. Praise him, worship him, and prostrate yourself before him. Meditate on the namas and the mantras, become receptive, and thus reap the fruit of divine grace. It helps you to chart out a sure and joyous journey towards eternal bliss.